In DFS 2013, the user now has the option of machining with the traditional top-down style or the new bottom-up style when using Z-level finishing surface mill toolpath. I have a part here that's programmed so that I can show you how this works. And I have some features already built. There's a Z-level rough that takes away most of the material. I have a side feature here called Finish the Horizontal and Vertical, and that's going to finish this floor and these vertical walls. And then I will finish all of these top surfaces with a Z-level finish. The first one's going to be the traditional top-down style, and then I'll show you bottom-up. So what I'm going to do is run over here to the op list and go right beside the Z-level and click in this column. That little dot there is a breakpoint. So I can run my simulation as fast as possible until it gets to that point. Okay, so here's the Z-level rough, taking away most of the excess material. Here's the side feature, just a 2.5D feature, nice simple toolpath. And that's rough. Here comes the secondary rough operation and then the finish. Okay, now that breakpoint has paused my simulation and we can start looking at this Z-level toolpath. And again, this is the traditional top-down. What's going to happen is the tool kind of starts in the middle with this particular shape. So it's cutting with the center of the end mill and it's kind of pushing its way to the outside. So with the geometry, with this type of geometry, this is probably not the best approach. It would probably be better to start at the outside or at the bottom and mill up the slope. That way we can cut with the side of the tool, we can cut with a better cutting surface than the center of that ball end mill. So I'll go ahead and stop that, the idea there. And I'll go over here and show you how you get the bottom up toolpath. The feature is identical. You just build another Z-level finish. But in the op list, you go to the attributes of the operation, and it's simply the bottom-up properties. Bottom-up, set to true. I'll stick another breakpoint in there and run into the simulation. Okay, it's getting close. All we need to do is finish up this side feature. Alright, now there's my finish tool. Single block it down. You can see it starting on the outside, cutting with that outside of the tool, a little bit better cutting surface, and working its way up that slope toward the center. So it's just a matter of a switch box. So once again, now you have the option, whenever you do a Z-level finish surface mill, of going with a top-down style or a bottom-up style.